Okay, we're at 2216 West 59th Street. Your pretty standard ranch, just the setup of it's a little bit different here. We'll go ahead and head over to the bedrooms first, as you can see this. Wood floors throughout on here. There's obviously an enormous amount of cosmetic work that needs to be done. One of the questions that we had that we want to make sure we're taking a look at was, is there a central air or is it just a heat unit? From here, it's hard to tell, but certain believe that it does lack AC at this point. The basement is also flooded. It appears from some sort of, not a leak, but probably a pipe or something along those lines, because the water is steady. I'll see if I can, I'll take some pictures for you guys to take a look at it. But as you can see, we're gonna need resurfacing on everything. Probably most of the windows are gonna need to be replaced and or repaired on this. So we got a good amount of work certainly to be done on this. It's a great location, good sized lot. But again, lots of work that needs to be done on it. Here's your bathroom, pretty small, but not out of the norm for a ranch of this size. Nice big windows here, which are great, but also costly at the same time. And here's your kitchen layout. So a little bit of a challenge from here is going straight from the kitchen. It goes right straight into the basement here. So there's no cutoff from here to go down to the basement. And then what you'll see, if we can get some of the lights down here. Yeah, you can just leave the keys. Yeah, no worries. There's a ton of people around, so thanks. There's a couple inches of water on the floor down here. So really getting down there is difficult to do just because I don't have my boots. Didn't think I'd be walking in a couple inches of water. We have this kind of attachment. So this obviously was an addition onto it, and through these doors over here is the garage, right? So it's a 3-car garage, access to it. But again, we're talking about really just looking at an addition that's on here, needs a lot of work.
Yeah, it looks like wallpaper, but I think it's...
All right, so as we walk outside, I want to take a look here too. So the siding itself, because it's vinyl, is in decent condition. But as you're going to see here, the roof, the majority, if not all of the roof on the main structure is going to need to be replaced. We're definitely looking at the guttering is the same on this. And then if you take a look here at the garage structure, completely new roof that's going to be done on here, not just the shingles but also the substructure on it is in pretty poor shape, as you'll see as we walk around from the side here. Lots of cleanup. Some of it definitely can be salvaged, but there may be some things that just need to come down completely on this one. So this is not a project for the faint of heart by any stretch of the imagination. So again, you can see just the damage here on the garage, the decking right there, just all pulled up and everything. So you're looking at really a complete, with the exception of the siding, complete exterior redo and a complete interior redo on it. And plus we need to figure out what's going on in the basement with the water and everything. Could be just a quick pipe leak, which would be no big deal. We just want to know how long it's been sitting there, because we don't want to have any moisture damage. So take a look, run some numbers on it, and give us a call. Thanks a lot.